Now you are ready to import this IT special project. Notice the column names in the top row, which include title, description, department, etc. Rows 2 through 19 contain your information. Also notice that there is only one worksheet in this Excel file named Projects. Make a note. During the Import Spreadsheet process, SharePoint will call your Excel worksheet a table. To begin working with this file, in the top menu bar, click File, and then click Exit to close Excel. Now you are ready to go back to SharePoint and import this data to create a new list. You should still be on the IT Support homepage. The Import Spreadsheet option is grouped with the list templates, so you follow the same initial steps as you did to create a custom list. To begin, click the down arrow to the right of Site Actions. Click View All Site Content, and then click Create. Under Filter By, select List, and then scroll down and click Import Spreadsheet. Next, in the right panel, click Create. A new page opens that you will use to enter a name and description for your new list. You will also identify the spreadsheet you want to import to create your new list. Make a note. Unlike other list templates, the Import Spreadsheet template does not provide an option to include a link to the list on the site Quick Launch. In order to have your new list appear on the Quick Launch, you will need to adjust the navigation option under List Settings after the list has been created. To begin, in the Name input box, type IT Projects. In the Description input box, type IT Tasks for Project 2014. To the right of the File Location input box, click Browse. Now browse to Documents, and then click Project 2014. Select the IT Special Projects file and click Open. When you are returned to the Import window, notice the file path in the File Location input box. Click Import. Your Excel spreadsheet opens. If you are prompted to log in, please do so. When the Import to Windows SharePoint Services List form opens, in the Range Type input box, select Table Range. In the Select Range input box, select the Projects Table option. Notice that the header and the data rows of your spreadsheet have been highlighted. Click Import at the bottom of the form. An hourglass symbol is displayed that indicates SharePoint is processing your data and creating your new list. When the process is complete, your new list opens. Notice that it is named IT Projects and it contains all the columns and data included in your Excel spreadsheet. SharePoint has dynamically created your new list to match your spreadsheet. Notice the title column, which is a description of the task on this list. When you hover your cursor over a title, the down arrow and drop-down menu appears that provides the option to view, edit, delete, or take other actions. On your new custom list, the title column is the control column, which lets you take certain action with each item. SharePoint makes the leftmost column in your spreadsheet the control column automatically. You cannot change the designated control column after you have imported the file. For this reason, be sure to move your preferred control column to the left on your spreadsheet before it is imported. At this point, you can go to List Settings to configure your list and columns further. Your data import list is complete and your custom list is ready to use. For more information about working with columns, consider taking UserVersity lesson, Create and Configure Columns in Lists and Libraries.